So, run natin. And then, mag-register muna tayo. Then, lagay natin username. Noella. And then, password. And then, confirm password. Then, yung address. Right. Then, country and birthday. And then, register. Ayan, box na register na successful. Talagay natin yung username. Mag-login na tayo. Noella. And then, yung password. Ayun, login successful. And then, log out. And then, yes.